riboti ronda segi kariki kiara gwana mokonyi bumura wiki ya Jubilee Fred Matiang'i hasu mucho Nairobi ikiabarenta abanyakerogo bekiameko kurase chi county au himeyense haseba kwanire hemerobero yekiamekyo osio bachori bole bosio mwaka bwechiro bere 2022 nigo bono chinga kecho bamochire serikali yanene haseba atebire nigo ebwate obukurumi hase ewizara eri ya migration nigo bono baruro kuboria gochia saba Kenya kumusira Matiang'i aseranga yayo koryo burayi bwense asoba chori bole bosio bunago tomanyo muri Kitolinet nyambane
Burai bw'ekiama gia Jubilee oyuboigo okorigie kerogo ky'oburai bwense asobochori bore bosio Fred Matiang'i omochirie eserikali anene ewizara ya migration asatebire nigebwate obukurumi na nigo ekobwatoka ebibande ne passport aserai yabe chinse cheisiko mamincha nerichiko.
I can tell the country very sincerely that I am the one who led the country's discussion in this matter with the retired General Gordon Kihalangwa in South Africa. The minister, my counterpart minister, showed me, horrific information. He said, look, the reason why we are treating your passport this way is because of ABCD, because of mistakes that had been made before, such as these ones are making, of issuing our passport through corruption, fraud, and systems that are totally disrespectful of our nationhood. As a result of that, our citizens began having problems getting clearances and getting visas to South Africa. In fact, in some countries, some of those issues have not been properly finalized and discussed as expected.
Gukwana ase egeikaro kia baretamo abanyakerogo bekiamekyo gia Jubilee kurwachi county au imeyense abaraya bo baragwa no monyakerogo bwekiamekyo Vincent Kemose nigo baruro kuboria gochia ase bari bakurwanirira ebirogo au bya siasa kwerikia ase kiamekyo asatebire obochori bwa muchucho nigo bogochia ko babo bwene no bwasioku
bado morangu no igwire bari batagete kweburia ebirogo awa kurwe ebye kiameke gia Jubilee Port Kisi Nyamira na barobutu ababodirie asobwango banyare gosoachi obischeto chechi branch Kisi amona Nyamira berike kuruororo erindegerege ko mwakonde bache kubodia ebirogo kuruororo na intubune party ya Jubilee twatebire nga gegocha wiko mwakonde ntoche tokore nomination yere free fair na transparent kerogo nkeyo onde bwense awo chikoewe etigiti yokubodia chikura kuru Jubilee etigiti erororo ne presidential candidate Itomoske Fred Matiang'i
abaraya bo nigo batebire goika Fred achikoba asetebe na kuruko bore gochia asegesa kukyo mugusi kumusira
na echama ya Jubilee twatebire ingano tore as a united opposition to stay go senatore ntweruete koba united opposition na intu twerure kogenda kurwanirira ekerogo kya presidential candidate yaito as a united opposition lakini twatebire buyega na ande ntwandrete goteba nge process yedie gochiko korera gochora presidential candidate ya united opposition ras mebe process ere free fair transparent and scientific.
Abanta que tengo todavía abantu bamintaba gusiye se mwabeta mwanje te gutwara wasiwasi nga mwanda gari mwapo ko igumuntu goteba nga presidential candidate ya ito Fred Matiang'i na chae we ticket ye gose gente kinke yo egento kronkiringa intubuna Jubilee ne presidential candidate ya ito Fred Okengo Matiang'i nere toko genda nere paketebe na Fred Matiang'i nere okobe president in 2027 mwaka ogocha igaba gusiba mintese mwabeta timo basa gutwara wasiwasi ende mugusita atokore na wasiwasi okunya kubori ngaki nga nacha egweti nga monto getotebire united opposition bagoteba gose monto ka mukijwa ntu monto tubwate na ande Kenya ngimebwate Fred Okengo Matiang'i nero kobe president wetere kiama gia Jubilee.
This is why with utmost humility we are asking fellow Kenyans that if you needed another reason why this government should be voted out, you have it. Because can we continue this way? Because how low can we sink as a country?
ngoripoteria Soko TV korwa ase omuchio Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.